Hi, so today we will do science experiment fluffy slime. So for this we need shampoo and a bowl. So first we will cut the shampoo. Now we will add 6 scoops of cornstarch powder. Now we will mix it. Now we will add food coloring. Now we will keep mixing till it form into slime. So our slime is ready. But it is not a slime, it is a material that acts like a slime. Thank you.